In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a circle shape into a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're enhancing presentations or adding a visual touch to your documents, being able to freely manipulate shapes, like circles, can be incredibly handy. So let's dive right in and get started on adding that perfect circle to your Word file. First things first, we'll need to launch the Microsoft Word application and open the document you wish to edit. It's important to have your file ready so you can seamlessly integrate the circle without disrupting your workflow. Once you've got your document open, the next step is to direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window. You'll notice different tabs up there, such as Home, Insert, Design, and more. For this activity, our goal is to utilize the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding a variety of elements, from pictures and tables to shapes. So go ahead and click on the Insert tab. Once you've clicked on it, a new array of options will unfold below it. Now within this menu, we're specifically on the hunt for shapes. This option is where you can get creative, choosing different shapes to enhance your document. By clicking on Shapes, a drop-down menu will present itself. You'll see a plethora of options: lines, basic shapes, block arrows, and more. But for us, we're going to look under the Basic Shapes section. Here, you'll find the circle shape. It might be labeled as oval, but don't worry, you can still create a perfect circle. Choose this shape by clicking on it. Once you've selected the circle tool, navigate back to the main part of your document. It's time to start drawing. With your mouse cursor active, click and hold it on the page, then drag it across to create your shape. You can adjust the size as you like. If you want to ensure it stays a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key as you drag. This little trick prevents distortion, keeping your circle a perfect ratio. Once you're satisfied with the size, release the mouse button and voila! You've added a circle shape to your document. And just like that, you're all done. You've successfully inserted and adjusted a circle shape in Microsoft Word, enhancing the visual appeal of your document. You can now move, resize, or format the circle as needed to fit your design aspirations. You've accomplished a handy skill that you can apply to future documents. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore other shapes and effects in the Insert tab to keep broadening your document creation skills. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.